What's up people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you 5 cool tips for your Galaxy devices. So let's begin. Tip number 1 is about swiping left and right in your contact app in order to make a phone call or send a text message. Open contact app, choose contact, then swipe right to make a phone call or swipe left to send a text message. Tip number 2. In the last couple of weeks, Samsung introduced new feature in Samsung keyboard. Instead of going into YouTube app, then looking for a specific video that you want to share, you can make the same thing much faster. You need to do few steps in order to be able to share the link to a specific video. Now you can make it easier. In your Samsung keyboard, find YouTube icon, then hit search button. Next, find particular video that you are interested in and click on it. Link to that video will be pasted automatically. That's all. How simple is that? I love this feature. Tip number 3. Normally when you swipe from left or right bottom corner, you launch Google Assistant. What if I tell you that there is a way to change it? All you need to do is to go to Settings, then Display section, next find Navigation bar and press Default Digital Assistant app. Here you can choose any action from the list. Swipe gesture can launch Finder, can also turn on Bixby Assistant, or simply open Samsung Internet browser. Very simple, but also very useful feature. Personally, I prefer using Google Assistant, but hey, you can change it if you want to. Tip number 4 is about shapes on screenshots. If you want to mark something after taking a screenshot, usually all you do is just make a circle around a word or a photo that you want to highlight with your finger. The shape isn't regular and it's not a professional way to do this. There is a better solution to do the same thing. Take a screenshot, then go to your gallery app. Open screenshot that you have just taken, hit edit button, then press face icon, make a circle and hold for a second in the end. All shapes that you mark on your screenshots will automatically look more professional and pleasing to the eye. Last tip is about how to keep your screen on while you are looking at it. System will not turn off your screen until you stop looking at it. In order to turn this feature on, go to your phone's settings, advanced feature, then motion and gesture, and enable toggle called keep screen on while viewing. That's all for today. Hope you find these tips useful. I'm out of here. Peace.